Hi everyone. We're going to go over the WordPress website, and what I'm on here now is the demo WordPress website. And what you're going to see here is what we're looking at is the 2011 theme installed, and I think this theme is installed by default when you upload a new WordPress website to your web server. So for most of you, this is what you'll get on the front end. This is what people will see when they log into your website address until you change it. And up here is where your website title would be inserted, and then your main header banner would be inserted, and this right here, this bar, would be your main menu, and you would determine what pages you wanted to be on your main menu. Right now, if I press home, you can see we're already here. The main menu is the sample page. You can assign any page that you've created as your home menu. And what I've put in here is a illustration, and this illustration could be placed to the right side of the text. You could center it with no text around it. When you click on the image, it can enlarge for you. You can set it not to do anything when you click on it. And what we have off here to the right side is a side panel on this theme that you have the option of. You can do a full page and stretch it out, or you can add a side panel, which is done here. I think this is by default, and I've added a couple widgets, is what they call them, into the side panel. And a widget would be such as this: WordPress pages, recent posts. Each of those are a widget. Recent comments, if you're taking comments from your website, they would show up as people comment on your different posts. And in categories. Now if we go to a sample page, which I just did, what I did in this theme was I assigned a page called sample page try it out to contain all of my posts. So if I want to post new things about my business or about my personal website, my post, the newest one, would be created and shown up here automatically on my post page, which is what I assigned sample page to. And this is my last post right here. This is the one before it, which is by default. This one's already in there, just on the template, and you can delete this. And so that would be the post page. This is a page I created here also. This is just a new page that I created from scratch, and you can see how you can change the font. You can add logos and banners and lay it out how you want. This one I laid out, as you can tell, it's a full page. It doesn't have the sidebar with the widgets and the menu on the side. So if we go back to home, we'll scroll down a little further, and you can see your customers. You can leave this here if you want. You can add it to just certain pages for your customers to log in, and they can leave a reply to whatever post or page content that you have. That's totally up to you. And then you've got your footer, which is below this line here, and these again are widgets that you can add. And there's 3 widgets in the footer, as you can tell right here: recent post, calendar of events, and pages. And then finally, you can change this title down here to your website address, your copyright, date, anything you want. And that's the basics for now. Of course, WordPress is known for its search, powerful search platform. So this search, just for instance, let's take a look here now. We're on the sample page. Let's type in learn more. As you can see, this is one of my pages. Let's see if it pulls it up. I know it will already. Enter. And sure enough, it brought up my learn more about owning your own website. And if I click on here, it goes right to this page. So it's a very powerful search tool within WordPress so that your customers can find any content that you lay out within your website. And this is just the basics, so we're just getting started. Thank you for joining us.